后面。
Hey friends, thanks for joining. Hello news and all viewers. Hello all to our friends. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. See the machines behind me? That's right, we are live streamer directly from the Febatt factory today. If you are looking for durable and reliable electric motorcycle batteries, don't just take my word for it. Today I will take in for you behind the scenes to see our manufacturing process with your own eyes. Hello friends, thanks for joining. Hello news and all viewers. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. A professional factory. We are Febatt in China. See the machines behind me. We are living screen directly from Febatt factory today. You are looking for reliable electric motorcycle batteries. Don't just for my word for it. Today I will take you for behind my scenes and to see our manufacturing process with your own eyes. The machine behind me are making the motorcycle batteries. See the blue, see the green batteries? Does anyone know the batteries? They are the living cells. Oh, they are the living cells. The pack capacity is 30 amp hours at 48 volts. They equal 440 watts hours of energy. Hello friends, welcome to our Febatt factory. Our Febatt factory in China. We are making motorcycle batteries. If you want to see more factory tours and inspire battery tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button in the bottom left and turn. The pack capacity is 30 amp hours at 48 volts. They equal 440 watt hours of energy. The battery dimensions are 175 millimeters long by 140 millimeters wide by 350 millimeters high. We are using living cell, Liverpool 4. Does anyone know the Liverpool 4? Not the lead acid batteries. We are using LFP, living cells. The battery is 32140 cells for this pack. These cells continuous maximum discharge currents are 2 C8 rates. Does anyone know the difference between lead acid and living cells? Does anybody know the difference of living cell and Lead acid cells. The factory are making the motorcycle batteries. We are Febatt factory. The battery is for an electric motorcycle. Uses a high-strength metal casing which is both safe and lightweight. Advanced features. Key features include CAN communication, a standard charging cycle life of 1,200 times, and complies with automotive power battery safety standards. We are making an electric motorcycle batteries here in the Febatt factory. If you want to know the more details and the price, you can tell me. You can comment in the comments. Hi, welcome to the new friends to Febatt factory. We are living. Life is life. If you are learning, let's see more likes. If you like our content, don't forget to give us a like. The sensing wires are thin, but they are safe. They only measure the volts and temperatures of the cells. They do not carry the main current, so they will not overheat or cause safety problems. It's very important to check cell consistency. As we know, a battery's performance is always limited by its volts cell. That is why we exclusive using grade A factory cells. Before assembling, we remeasured parameters like interrupt resistance to ensure the best possible battery performance. We keep the wire drives clean and smooth for two main reasons. First, a clean weld has a low resistance, which means better power flow and less heat. Second, a smooth weld prevents damage to the insulating materials like the wrappers or tab, ensuring safety. Now, the next step guess the batteries are going where? Oh, it's now the step is welding. We keep the weld drives clean and smooth for two main reasons. First, a clean weld has a low resistance, which means better power flow and less heat. Second, a smooth weld prevents damage to the insulation materials like the wrappers or tab, ensuring safety. The battery we are making is for an electric motorcycle. The battery dimensions are 175 millimeters long by 140 millimeters wide by 350 millimeters high. The cell arrangement is 50 series, 2 parallel for these specific batteries. Hello to all our new friends. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. See the machines behind me. That's right, we are live stream directly from the Febatt factory today. If you are looking for the durable and reliable electric motorcycle battery,
Vâng, mà thì sau cặp quả là过来以后还是这个样子吗？啊。这下午干这玩意他妈 螺丝好像不好打，打这不行的。这个螺丝好像跟这个架子好像有关系哦。
而且它这个支架这一款支架一拉有问题。
我换了一块，我靠，还是不怎么好。还是要对齐，要对齐一下。
Hello friends, welcome to our Hello new friends. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. See the big machines behind me? That's right, we are live streaming directly from the Febatt factory today. If you are looking for reliable electric motorcycle batteries, don't just take my word for it. Today I am taking you behind the scenes to see our manufacturing process with your own eyes. The pack capacity is 30 ampere hours at 48 volts, that equal 1440 watt-hours of energy. Hi new friends, does anybody know? No, Yes, we make the motorcycle batteries. We are using Liverpool 4. Does anybody know the Liverpool 4? Does anybody know the Liverpool 4? Which battery do you use in your country? Lead acid battery or lithium cells? Does anybody know the difference between the lithium cells and lead acid battery cells? The battery is 32140 cell for this pack. The cell continuous maximum discharge current are 2C rates. Cycle life of each cell is 200-500 cycles or greater. The energy density specification is 165 watt-hours per kilogram. The cells are all A grade. The battery is for an electric motorcycle. It uses a high-strength metal casing which is both safe and lightweight. Advanced features. Key features include CAN communication, a stand charging cycle life of 1,200 times, and compliance with automotive power battery safety standards. Hello friends, thanks for joining Hello News and we are making motorcycle batteries. We are making an electric motorcycle battery here in the Febatt factory. If you want to know the more details and the price, you can comment in the comments that I will tell you. Our factory in China and we ship worldwide. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. We maintain professional safety and quality standards on our modern assembly line. Like this live if you are learning. Let's see more likes. If you like our content, don't forget to give us a like. Thank you so much. Now we are assembling and welding. Once the cells are sorted, the technician arranges them according to the blueprints. The part is a fully automated process. After the welding is complete, the technician performs a weld test on the weld battery pack. They check for missing or poor welds and confirm the presence of the battery traceability code. Installation and wiring. Now we are installation and wiring. Next, we start the final assembly process. This back wire is for installing the temperature probe line. The battery pack is then covered with high temperature, adhesive, and double-sided tape to secure the cells. We then weld the wall sensing wires and convert the correct wiring sequence. Now we start the final assembly process. The black wire. The black wire. Does anybody know the black wire? Anybody who knows the black wire, you can comment in the comments. Then I will give you some gifts. If your answer is right, then I will give you some gifts, such as the DIY tools. Does anybody know the black wire? If you know the black wire, you can comment in the comments. Then I will select some to give DIY tools. The black wire is for installing the temperature probe line. The battery pack is then covered with high temperature, adhesive, and double-sided tape to secure the cells. We then weld the wall sensing wires and convert the correct wiring sequence. BNS. Next, the step is BNS initial testing BNS. We install the BNS onto the battery. After installation, we conduct a semi-finished product test. BNS and initial testing BNS. We install the BNS onto the battery. After installation, we conduct a semi-finished product test. Hi, welcome you to our Febatt factory. We install the BNS onto the battery. After installation, we conduct a semi-finished product test. Next, does anybody know the red wires? Does anybody know the red wires? If you know the red wires, you can comment in the comments. Then I will select someone to give the DIY tools for gifts. Hello news, welcome news to the Febatt factory. Now we are making the motorcycle batteries. Now this step, we are installation and wiring. Now we are wiring. Does anybody know the function of wiring? Black wire, the red wire is installing the temperature probe line. The battery pack is then covered with high temperature adhesive and double-sided tape to secure the cells. We then weld the wall sensor wires and convert the correct wire sequence. We install the BNS onto the battery. After installation, we conduct a semi-finished product test. BNS and initial testing BNS. We install the BNS onto the battery. After installation, we conduct a semi-finished product test. Protection and final quality control. The next step after the semi-finished test, we perform a potting process to provide waterproofing, shock absorption, and cushion for battery pack. Finally, the battery pack completes its production after passing several quality checks, including the agent test, finished product installation testing, and charge-discharge test. We don't show the full testing process as it takes a long time. Automatic sorting equipment. Automated welding equipment, internal resistance, capacity, consistency, wall tests, high temperature adhesive, high temperature adhesive, voltage sensing wires, traceability code, EV cotton or terminal solution for EV, PPKs, solder welding, hot welding. Check solder points. If you have any technical